Hi, Leon. Delilah told me to send this screencast over to you. My name's Corey. I'm just going to shoot over 3 free tips on how you can actually start out ranking your competition. Really start bringing a lot more quality traffic to your site as well. So I got your website pulled up here. I'm just going to go through it real quick. So the 3 things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. So one thing I do want to point out as well, I would do some sort of like click to call action, like you got a little learn more and also your service tabs right here. I would blow something up and have them, money off, percentage off, or coupon, or even a free estimate, and grab that lead. That seems to be working a heck of a lot better too for us. Anyway, so first thing I'm actually going to go over is content. I would bring this up to about 15, maybe 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way you can layer those keywords on what you're actually trying to be found for. Even these little images, what they're saved as, it all matters. Google sees it. You got download one. Go back there, change out all these those images, what they're saved as, and for buyer's intent keywords. That'll be a lot better for your ranking. So we got this little Google section here. If we come inside of Google and just type in AC Repair Orlando FL, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees. These are actually brand new with Google. They came up with these to help weave out some of those spammy phone calls coming from those old school traditional ads. So these are actually just another form of paid advertisement that's brand new. Underneath these Google guarantees, you have this little map section. Now, really, to get the rankings in this area is going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. Really, so what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that our competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking our competition. Underneath this little map section is going to be dealing with all the organic traffic. This is really how your website's being found. It's how authoric are you with the content and what you do and how you do in what you do and how you do it. Plus being found for those keywords, and the power is coming from what's called a backlink. And what a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just ultimately pushing power back to it. Just kind of give you an example here. Now, not all backlinks actually created equal. If I take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is just a tool, lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So right now you got 58 referring domains, which is pushing back 374 backlinks. Looks like historically you had about 1.1K. You're being found for 365 keywords, and in total you're getting about 146 clicks every month to your website. So these 146 clicks, you can actually see where they're coming from. So you get your name here at the top. Orlando FL Air Conditioning, 100 clicks. You're getting a little bit of traffic out of there. Not much. HVAC Orlando, there's 70 clicks every month. Your 10th position, so you're missing all the traffic because that 10th position doesn't really get fed. Orlando FL HVAC, another 70 clicks. 13th position, you're missing the traffic. Orlando Air Conditioning Companies, 150 clicks, missing all the traffic. Orlando HVAC, another 40 clicks. So yeah, you're missing all the traffic because your keywords aren't ranking. Let me give you a example here. This is Dell Air, and if we actually stick them inside of Ahrefs, they have over 700 clicks, and I just want to show you where their clicks are coming from, just in that Orlando area. So they're third position, first position, third position. So they have a lot of these buyer's intent keywords first locked down with the first position. So if you go in and look at some of these, air conditioning service Orlando FL, there's 150 clicks every month. AC repair Orlando, there's 600 clicks every month with that keyword. And this is the traffic that he's getting from this volume from these keywords, if that makes sense. So his traffic to his site is actually quite large with those specific keywords. Anyway, really just going through and picking these keywords that are actually going to suit you, and also high quality backlinks, and making sure you have enough content to get yourself there as well. Anyway, if you you could apply these 3 tips for yourself, or if you need a help and I could put a custom game plan together for you, feel free to call me back, text me. My number is 702 292 0810. Thanks again.